I'm today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. For example, let's use this one. Just to do that, you should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Just tap here once, and now you can see here all the available applications, which widgets you can add. For example, you can add a YouTube music application. Here we can see two different widgets. In gallery we have here 4 widgets. Gmail applications has only one. For example, let's use the calendar. We can add here the full months view or just calendar schedule. To do that, just hold for a while the widget, and after that drag it, for example, here to the right upper corner. If you want to move this widget on the screen, you can make it by this way. Just hold and drag it. You can move the widget also between the screens, and if you want to create a new screen with a widget, just hold and drag it to the right corner, so to the right side. If you want to resize the widget, just hold it, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove the widget, hold it, and you'll see here the remove icon. Just tap here once, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.